gentlewoman from Wisconsin and a member opposed will each control 5 minutes. The chair recognizes the gentlewoman from Wisconsin.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. My amendment increases funding for a critical program, the Violence Against Women Act Legal Assistance Program, by $4 million. I would like to thank Representative Poe for his diligent work on this amendment, and I also want to thank Representative Mollahan for his commitment on this issue as well. You know, we all make lawyer jokes, but to the women who face domestic violence and need legal representation to successfully flee their abusers, obtain orders of protection, and retain custody of their children, the lack of is definitely not a laughing matter. Nearly 70% of the women who bravely take their abusers to court do so without legal representation. And too often, having an attorney present is the deciding factor in obtaining that life-saving personal protection order, or getting custody of your kids, or receiving transitional housing. It's a sad day when a family is forced to stay with their abuser because they don't know how to navigate through the court system. Earlier this week, Mr. Chairman, I heard from Chris in Wisconsin, whose husband sent her to the emergency room a dozen times, broke her foot, held a gun to her head, and threatened to poison her 4 children before she was able to escape with the help of legal assistance after 5 long years of torture. I also heard from Danielle of Madison, Wisconsin, who obtained a divorce from her wealthy attorney husband, who repeatedly beat and stabbed her, but was left battling her husband's expensive attorney for custody 2 years after the divorce. Her effort to study the Wisconsin statutes and defend herself in court drew ridicule and rebuke from the judge. These are just a couple of examples, and I sure would like to yield time to Mr. Mollahan and reserve the balance of my time.
Well, thank you, gentlelady. Thank you for amendment. Mr. Chairman, we are prepared to accept the amendment.
Thank you. The gentlelady reserves.
Thank you.
What purpose